Welcome to the Metallurgy of Iron and Steel program preview session. My name is Nancy McQuigg and I'm the program manager for this particular program, and I'll be facilitating the session today. For those of you who may have heard of the term metallurgy but are unsure of what it actually involves, let's take a quick look at the concept. From the site Engineering Atoms from Cambridge University in the UK, quote, metallurgy is one of the oldest forms of material science. Metallurgy is a field that studies the behavior and properties of metals to improve manufacturing and to create a better product, unquote. Additionally, you can find lots of information about the field of metallurgy and material sciences from Engineer Canada website, and the great section they have on the metallurgy field, material engineers, material sciences, and iron and steel. The program offered by continuing education is aligned with the Faculty of Engineering in terms of working with us to review curriculum, advise us on the field of study, and plan for future program developments. Finally, with the history of the steel industry in Hamilton and the program's relationship with educators and leaders in this area, this makes this a unique feature of the program and what we offer here in the metallurgy program. So who are the students who comprise the program's student base? The metallurgy students are primarily from Canada, specifically Ontario and Alberta. However, the program attracts students from the United States, Europe, and Asia, as well as other areas that have strong ties to steel and manufacturing industries. In terms of demographics, many students have a degree or college diploma in areas such as engineering, business commerce, mining engineering, chemistry, tool and die, and welding, and a few social science and humanities graduates join us as well. When we asked students in the past few years what is their motivation to return to education and pursue a certificate in metallurgy, they report reasons related to future career growth opportunities, specializing in metallurgical areas for current job or a new job, adding a specialized credential to an undergraduate degree or college program, often to enter into a new job market, and new employment in steel, iron, materials manufacturing, and seeking some general knowledge just to understand the industry better. Some of the employment information related to this field is interesting to look at as you explore the field of metallurgy and material sciences. The iron and steel industry in Canada is a multi-million-dollar industry, and it is an important sector of our economy. Just consider all the manufacturing infrastructure and construction that's going on in your area. There are various jobs both directly and indirectly related to iron, steel, and material science sector. And within Canada, there are a number of resources you can explore to learn more information, such as the Canadian Institute of Mining, Metallurgy and Petroleum, the Metallurgy and Materials Society, and outside of Canada, I also like to look at the American Iron and Steel Institute. There are many other resources to explore to learn about the industry and future outlooks for employment growth. Students in the program are employed in various job roles and titles, which we'll show in future slides. But these range from engineering roles, supervisory and management, quality assurance, quality inspection, sales, project management, and frontline workers. The program attracts employees working for companies and industries directly related to steel, steel manufacturing, industrial suppliers, fabricators, and others. Some of these motivating reasons may align with your plans to begin your studies in the program. So the program is designed to present the knowledge and skills you need in order to meet your academic goals. For more details about the Metallurgy Certificate Program, please visit our website at www.mcmastercce.ca or contact our information specialist today.